Right, it's the 26th of May, and after seeking Robin's advice again, I have to remove one of the queen cells from the brood box if they're still in there and if they haven't already emerged. If they haven't already emerged, I'm going to open one with my knife and try and put the queen in this queen cage with some fondant and put her in a separate place, and then leave the second one to emerge on its open on its own, because they should be emerging any time now per number of days. So and then I can leave it for another couple of days, check again. If the other queen hasn't emerged, then I know the cell is dead. So let's see what happens. Let's put my hood on and my gloves and we'll get cracking. I'm hoping this is going to be fairly short, because I only need to check one frame, which is frame 3, because I know the 2 queen cells were on frame 3, so I don't really want to mess with anything else, and I want to keep it all as quiet as possible, as eerie as possible. So let's see if that works out. He says. Zips, with all the zips in the right place, all zipped up, gloves on, take the top off, all in one go. So we're no longer feeding this colony, so all the nectar that they bring in should be proper forage nectar, and we can sell as real honey. So I'm quite looking forward to that. So is the video still going? Yes, she is. So in one fell swoop, let us take this off. Was relatively straightforward. My oh my, there are quite a lot of bees on there. So we'll give them a little bit of smoke. Just to make them buzz off back down. Oh, they just went back down. Come on bees, back down. We're not trying to bother you. Just want you to go back in. That's it. Now I can take the queen excluder off. I need a hive tool for that. That's handy. A few squash bees there. That's not good. Let's get those bodies off. Another squash bee here. So let's go. Let's pull this off. It should come off fairly straightforward. Oops. So it's only frame 1 has got absolutely nothing on it. Frame 1, absolutely nothing, like yesterday. I checked this yesterday, so I'm not expecting too much. But I do expect to see frame 2, near side nothing. Frame 2, far side nothing. Oh look, what's that? That looks like a queen cup. Somebody's making a queen cup. Somebody's making a queen cup, which we don't really want a queen cup there. So we'll just squash that down. That looks like lava in there. Have we got a queen? That looks... Does that look like lava? I'm not really not sure. Let's just see. Let's squish one. No, that's not lava. That's just wax. And then the third frame, this has got the cells on it, so wash, take this out. I need to brush I need to brush these off. Got my brush. It's on the far side. The near side is absolutely packed. There's loads of brood there. I wasn't expecting to see so much brood. Look at all that brood. Okay, so we've still got brood. We've still got plenty of brood on the third frame. On the near side. Let's have a look at the far side. Third frame on the far side. Third frame on the far side. And these are my... Well, that's one of my cells. I thought there were two. I thought there were two cells here. I'm a little bit confused now. We've got one here. I thought there were two cells on here, so I'm a little bit confused, so I need to just find out. I'm a bit bewildered. We definitely only have one queen cell here. This one looks like it's been torn down. So if I've only got one, I don't really want to... I've only got one here. So I don't really want to destroy that and then find out that Queenie, the other queen, I really don't know. Has the other queen already gone? Has she swarmed? I don't know. There's so many bees here. I don't really feel that she's swarmed. Anyway, so I'm just going to put that back. I'll leave it. Because I really don't want to. And I see a queen. I think she would have done something about that other cell. And maybe I should just put the whole of this in the other box. Would that be a good idea? That would also work, wouldn't it? I could just put the whole of this. I could put the whole of this frame 3 with one queen cell on it and all those bees. I could just put that in my other box here. Let's leave it as cell 3, frame 3. Back. Just put it back here, and here, and here. And feed it. We're going to leave all these bees in here with one queen cell. Put this straight on. This on here for now. And we can leave it. That's all we need to do. So we need to put this back. Except I need another frame. good, is it? I need another frame. Let's put this back together. Let's put the queen excluder back on. Let's get these guys happy because this is the main hive. Yeah, let's get this back on. Right, now all these guys should be happy. I need to put this back on the side of the frame. 11B. And we open the door. The door is already open. So they're back to normal. These guys is a new hive with one queen cell. Expecting to do that, but that's okay, I think. Put a roof on there now, so I can put the proper roof on. Which hopefully will fit. So that is it. That is the inspection. And let's turn off the camera. We are finished. So we only found one queen cell in here. So the other one seems to have hatched or vanished or been thrown out. So there's either no queen cells in here at all now, which we'll find that out fairly quickly, I think. And I've put the other frame into a different, brood box 2 over there, single frame with food and brood on it. Create another colony when that cell hatches. So we've potentially now got 4 queens. Oh my gosh. Which wasn't really the plan, but there you go. Thank you very much. See you next time.